Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast short video on the Tilray, kind of an update on our previous call on Tilray discounts incoming. So that's what we're going to do. Actually, we're going to pull up a range, and I'm going to give you two specific levels in order to understand what is going on in the Tilray market. So yeah, stick around to the end. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we explore price action via candlesticks. Welcome in new subscribers. Let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here. Sure. So today's September the 13th, I think it is, 2021, and the current price of Tilray is going to be $11.84. It's slightly negative 3.2% for the day. By the way, today's the 14th. Pardon me there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. So hopefully we left a link for the last video. In fact, let's just take a really quick visit on that video just to show everyone. So since August the 5th, well, prior to that as well, we were saying that the markets are under pressure. There was one specific level on the Tilray market. I think it was like $15, $15.30 something. If it were to close below, like a weekly candle below that level, let's just reveal where we are right here. So here's the current range, 990 up to 1275. Okay, but again, you'd have to watch the last video. I think it was like $15.30 something cents. If it were to close below that level, yeah, I'm not sure if I said like a free fall or anything, but yeah, one way or the other, I do think that eventually it will reach the $9.90 level. Not guaranteed, but just to kind of show you on the last video, if you notice that white line on the chart there, that was kind of the secret Tilray pattern that we discovered, must watch the title there. The white line is just 990. So we're staying pretty consistent with the levels. It is 990 that is going to stay the same until until otherwise, right? I think the market is going to 990. Now I'm not sure if it's actually going to hold, and again, it's not guaranteed, but the range is here. So I'll give you guys an update if the market actually pushes higher. Let's just say tomorrow, like right now, I'm saying the markets are under pressure and it could go down, and then it does the total opposite tomorrow. It's fine. What you're going to look for is, now the previous level of support was right here at about 1275. So let's just say you get like 5% up tomorrow, okay? Which again typically happens when I have a bearish tone on a market. It moves up like 5% or even like 7%. If it's below 1275, it's still below the previous level of support. So it's likely the trajectory will continue to the downside, unless there's some sort of double bottoming formation going on right now. I'm not sure if the bleeding, I don't think this is the end, guys. I think it will continue lower. That's my prediction. It's going to stay the same until it reaches that just below that psychological level at about $10. Okay. But remember, nothing goes in a straight line. I don't think it's going to go straight. Maybe it'll go straight down. I'm not sure. But typically there's fluctuations up and down, up and down. Okay. So you have the range 1275 if it pushes higher here in the short term, but it must get above that level and use it as support to have a true turnaround. That's how turnarounds happen. You break above the previous level of support after it's compromised, because on this September the 7th weekly candle, if I didn't mention that, we're looking at weekly candles. This candle here, September the 7th, when you get that breakdown, you need to get a break back up. But normally you get like a consolidation first before the break back up. So, just give it time, guys. That's all I have. Okay, I think it's headed to 990 at eventually. I'm not sure if it's going to happen tomorrow or this week, but slowly but surely it's seeking that psychological level, $10. Okay, so hopefully you guys caught all that information. Again, I'm not sure how long. We just have to let one of the levels get tested. Let's just say it's at like 1275. I'll give you guys an update, like if it happens tomorrow or soon. Yeah, just remind me in the comment section. It's at like 1275. We need an update. Yeah, for sure. I'll give you guys an update quickly. But if it's down to 990, I'll give you an update down there as well. But again, as far as within this range, I don't know what else to say about Tilray. We have a really low average on Tilray, so we're just kind of, holding. So just to kind of answer the question, if anyone's asking, are we still holding? Yes, we are still holding Tilray for now. Okay, until otherwise, until that changes. Okay, but we're still holding. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So go ahead and leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you are new, we explored the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. Comment, subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that out when it is available. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Be sure to execute your strategies. Always be kind. Keep that positive energy. We'll talk soon. And bye for now.